What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video here at Full Speed SA. Before we get the show on the road, I want to give a shout out to our sponsor of today's video. Thank you, Jean from South Cape Audio, for sponsoring this video. Speaking of which, just listen to the sound on this ML63 AMG, which was just completed here at South Cape Audio. But I will let Jean, the owner of South Cape Audio, tell you a little bit more about the company in just a sec. But just to give you a little bit of a summary, specialists in sound installations, smash and grab tinting. Here's Jean to give you a complete rundown.
Morning, guys. Alright, update on the ML63. So this vehicle came in, as you saw in the videos from before. We were doing some custom work for this client on this vehicle, and it's all hidden away. So panel beater still got a little bit of work to do on the vehicle, so we couldn't assemble these doors, but that gives us a opportunity to show that our wiring is not just flex that's been put into the, we are custom making our wiring. So all of this is custom made up, all this wiring, color coded specifically. So we've got our vibe SQs in the front, we've got vibe slicks at the back, tweeter hide. So everything's been hidden away in the doors. So installed an extra amplifier, hidden away, a custom amp tray built, reference audio amplification. And the reason why we did this is because the OEM amplifier that's in this vehicle had some issues. So we are still utilizing our OEM amplifier for our center stage, which is over there, and obviously the subwoofer, which is in the boot. We went with a TT audio head unit, class D, only the best for this client. So our front stage, which is in the front doors, and rear stage, which is in the rear doors, have been amplified with a reference audio amplifier. The reason why we went with reference audio is because of the filter setup, and we could set up our vocals the way we wanted to set up. So we set up the oscilloscope on this vehicle, set up everything, and then connected speakers and everything, and did a final test and ran through everything. So this vehicle sounds great. We've got our phone link there, wireless Android Auto running, as you can see, and crystal clear sound. For all your extras, add-ons and custom work that you want done, you guys with the Mercedes-Benzes, you need to pay me a visit at South Cape Audio, 17 Bolton Road, 4x Mossel Bay. Come and chat to me. My name is Jean. I'm the owner, fitter, floor washer. I do everything around here. Obviously the tinting that we did on this vehicle is next level. We removed the tint that was on these windows. We put on 20% for privacy. So at the back we've got privacy glass, and that is how a tint job should look. Bear in mind, this car has not seen sun since the vehicle's been tinted. There's no bubbles, there's no watermarks, there's no dust. This vehicle is crisp. After the panel beater is finished with assembling and doing the ceramic coating, I need to do a shout out to SNZ panel beaters in George. You guys did an immaculate job on this vehicle. I can't wait to see the finished product once you guys are done. I think this client is going to be very satisfied. So come to South Cape Audio, give me a shout and let me help you out with your audio system.
What is happening, guys? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. What is on the day's agenda here at South Cape Audio? Land Cruiser just came in. Gonna be getting a top of the range sound system. Gonna be getting custom door panels for the speaker, or custom speaker panels rather. Hope you guys will stick around to see the final product. Just a reminder, check out South Cape Audio on Facebook for all your sound installation, alarm installation, as well as smash and grab tinting. Let's get to the live action. Alright, so as you can see, preparing the custom panels for the speakers that will be going into this very nice looking Toyota Land Cruiser for all your sound installation requirements. I cannot say it any louder. South Cape Audio and Fitment Center. And here we have it, guys. The finished product speaker panels for the Land Cruiser, with the Land Cruiser logo on it. Not everybody does that, guys, but here at South Cape Audio, stick around to see the final product and to hear the final product. Alright, guys, welcome back. We are here at South Cape Audio, and just want to give you guys an update on the progress of this Land Cruiser, Toyota Land Cruiser. So as you guys know, the car is booked in for full sound system. As you can see, door panels have come off, making way for the new wiring and the speaker panels. As we were walking around the vehicle doing our usual inspections, myself, the head tinter here at South Cape Audio, came across a few imperfections, let's put it that way. So the vehicle was tinted not here at South Cape Audio, but it has been freshly tinted. I really wish I could show you guys, but because the glass is see-through, obviously it doesn't pick it up on camera, so I decided to mark it with some masking tape where all the dust marks or specks of dust that is caught between the tint and the glass can be seen. Now, guys, I know some of you probably don't know much about tinting, but a good tint job, a really good tint job, you do not see any dust, no specks of dust whatsoever. Sometimes, depending on the vehicle, depending on the age of the vehicle as well, it's impossible to get a perfect window. But even in that case, one speck of dust, I would say, can be the exception. One, maybe two, shouldn't be able to see where it is. Only the tinter should know where it is. But in the case of this vehicle, I took a masking tape to show you where all the visible specks of dust are. So I just want to say to the people that tinted this vehicle, you guys probably know who you are. Just take some pride in your work, please. Don't be messing people around like this. This is not nice, okay? This is visible to the eye. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not even a non-specialist tinter will be able to see all these specks of dust, and that, guys, is just unacceptable here at South Cape Audio. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's more than 10 specks of dust on this window alone. Here we specialize not only in tinting and sound, but in customer service, okay? We do the best we can for the customer. Driver's window, not so bad, but still 3 specks of dust visible. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, come on. So we are going to be fixing up the tint job on this Land Cruiser as well. Look at the back window, guys. Full of dust. That's a whole section full of dust. The tint is even peeling off here. I mean, you guys could probably see that through the camera. Can you see how the tint is peeling off? Can you see that? Dust speck. Dust speck. 2 dust specks. Dust speck. Water bubble. Massive water bubble. A whole family of dust specks over there. Here at South Cape Audio, we focus on getting the job done, but getting it done absolutely right the first time. You will not receive your vehicle back if we do not believe that the job that has been done is perfect, okay? And if it's not perfect, then it's about as perfect as it can get, because that is our motto here at South Cape Audio. So guys, to all my sound guys, around Mossel Bay, around George, anywhere on the Garden Route, even in Cape Town, guys, if you're looking for specialist sound installation, specialist tint installation, give us a call, South Cape Audio. By the way, thank you to South Cape Audio for sponsoring today's video. Welcome back, guys. It's the next day, and the Land Cruiser has been tinted properly this time, the way it should be tinted. Not a dust speck in sight. Done the way it is done. Done the way it is done here at South Cape Audio. Back window was full of dust speckles, dust specks. You guys remember how I showed you, but now the vehicle has been fixed. Tinting has been removed, new tint applied. As you can see, told you guys this car will be getting a full sound system. So brand new 2025 model Land Cruiser. All the seats have been taken out, all the carpeting, door panels, ready to lay the sound deadening. Yeah, so that's coming in next. We've already marked up the template for the 10-inch sub that will be coming in the back, measured and ready to be put into the car very shortly. So I just want to emphasize, guys, here at South Cape Audio, this is a fitment center. We do not only do smash and grab, we do not only do sound systems, we do alarm systems, as well as any fitment regarding your automobile. And in other news, here at South Cape Audio, brand new Suzuki, brand spanking new. What did I tell you guys? Everything fitment. Obviously the Suzuki came without a radio. This is your base model, so we are fitting the extra radio infotainment center situation over here. All done professionally at South Cape Audio. Brand new Celerio. Even if you don't have a brand new stereo and you just want a radio put in, come to South Cape Audio, guys. As you guys know, I have promised you guys that I will be recording more content and trying my best to post a lot more often. It's just hard, you know, if you don't have content then you have nothing to post. But I'm going to be trying my best, and this type of content is what you guys will be seeing when I am not at car shows or when I'm not at drag racing or spinning events. We'll be doing a lot of these before and after and technical installations and modifications, etc. Morning, guys. Another day, another dollar. I have not even completed tinting this one, the new Hyundai Staria, and I am already proud of myself, guys. You can see this part has not been tinted yet. This part has been tinted. Looking perfect, even if I should say so myself. So just to stress the point, guys, we have Toyota Land Cruiser, Hyundai Staria, Bantam that has come in for central locking issues. This is all we do at South Cape Audio. And thank you again for joining me on another video at Full Speed SA. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, tap the bell icon so that you're notified every time I make an upload. If you guys are interested in seeing the final product and everything we do here at South Cape Audio, tune into Full Speed SA. Also check out South Cape Audio on Facebook. Alright, guys. Another successful tint installation. Another happy client from Hyundai here at South Cape Audio.